Be ready. Start. It will still have that effect when we pass this law. Now stop. But if either the workers or those who are very keen to have no curtailment of production think that this is going to stop closures, it is not so. Stop. Other things have to be done in order to prevent closures which are preventable. Stop. Some suggestions have been made by my honorable friend here. Stop. They are very good suggestions, but they do not directly concern us here. Stop. We have to do other things. Stop. We have got the Industries Development and Regulation Act, and we can put into use the various provisions of that act also. Stop. Something of that kind was done before in the case of one concern to which my honorable friend there made a reference. Stop. I may inform the House that even in the case of the closures which have been occurred and regarding which we received information, we started acting. Stop. I believe that some inquiries are in progress, and it is quite possible that where this legislation which we are going to pass may not come to our rescue, something else may possibly be done. Stop. There are suggestions like standardization of wages, decasualization, etc., and there will be other suggestions also. Stop. Why is it that a management, because of its inefficiency, because of neglect, allows the concern to run down to that condition that it ceases to have its competitive position in industry? Question mark. Various things can be considered, but this is not the place for that stanza. Similarly, so far as employees are concerned, something is being done on their behalf. Stop. First, if the legislation succeeds in preventing a closure, to that extent unemployment is warded off. Stop. To the extent it does not succeed, some relief is afforded to the workers. Stop. They get some compensation. Stop. But that does not exhaust all that the workers may be able to secure from industry at the time of termination of their service. Stop. There may be provisions for gratuity, etc. Stop. They are not ruled out. They are not eliminated by these provisions. Stop. Therefore, the scope of this legislation does not cover fully either the ground of continued production and of averting unemployment, or in the case of unemployment, of what is going to be done for the employees. Stop. So, sir, in that limited context, we have to view the propriety of the various clauses that are being considered here. Stop. Regarding some specific points made, it was urged that we have brought this bill at the fag end of the session, and therefore we are not giving enough time for consideration. Stop. That is a question which depends upon the convenience of the House. Full stop. Over.